Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step method to take control of your mind, your habits, and your time so you can achieve anything you want in life. Most people grow up never learning how success actually works. School teaches information, not direction. Society talks about motivation, but no one explains how to build discipline, control your mind, or stay consistent when excitement disappears.
For a long time, I had dreams, but no structure. I felt motivated in the morning and empty at night. I kept asking myself why effort wasn't turning into progress and why my life stayed the same.
Everyone kept giving surface-level advice. Work harder, be patient, stay positive. But no one explained how the mind works, how habits are formed, or how successful people think when things get difficult.
That's when I realized something important. Success isn't random, and it isn't talent. It follows a system. And if you learn that system and apply it daily, results become inevitable over time. The first step is understanding your brain. Your brain is not designed to make you successful. It is designed to keep you comfortable and safe. That's why change feels scary and uncomfortable at first. Fear, doubt, and resistance don't mean you're weak. They mean your brain is protecting old habits. Growth feels dangerous to the mind, even when it's exactly what you need. Your brain changes through repetition. Whatever you do consistently becomes who you are. Small actions repeated daily slowly rewire your identity. This process is science, not motivation or inspiration. That's why waiting to feel motivated doesn't work. Action must come first. When you act consistently, your brain adjusts. Confidence is created after action, not before it. The second step is clarity. You must clearly decide what you want. Vague goals create confusion. Clear decisions give your brain direction and allow your actions to align with your future. Write your goals down every day. Writing forces your brain to take them seriously. Over time, your goals stop feeling like wishes and start becoming part of your identity. The third step is focusing on inputs, not outcomes. You can't control results, but you can control effort. Showing up daily matters more than immediate success. When effort becomes the goal, pressure disappears. Each day you complete your tasks, you win. Confidence grows from proof, not from positive thinking. The fourth step is mastering your time. Everyone has the same 24 hours, but most people lose them to distraction instead of using them intentionally. Protect your best hours for growth and skill building. Even 2 focused hours a day, used consistently, can completely change your life over time. The fifth step is protecting focus. Your attention is constantly attacked by phones, notifications, and entertainment. You are not lazy, you are overstimulated. Focus is not intelligence, it's about discipline and environment. 1 hour of deep, uninterrupted work is more powerful than a full, distracted day. The sixth step is belief. Belief is not a feeling you wait for. It is something you build through action, consistency, and repetition. Each time you act despite fear, your brain records evidence. Over time, doubt weakens and confidence grows naturally. The seventh step is repetition. Success is built through boring, consistent habits. Most people quit because progress feels slow and unexciting. Winners keep going because they understand repetition creates mastery. What feels boring today becomes powerful tomorrow. The eighth step is tracking progress. Tracking removes emotion and replaces it with clarity. Guessing creates confusion. Data creates improvement. When you see progress written down, motivation becomes unnecessary. Proof builds discipline automatically. The ninth step is silence. Stop announcing your plans. Talk less and work more. Real confidence is built privately. Protect your goals while they are fragile. Let results speak when the work is done. The final step is mastering your mind. Not every thought deserves your belief. Most people are controlled by thoughts they never question. Learn to challenge fear, correct negative thinking, and replace excuses with action. You must become the leader of your own mind. Thoughts are not facts. Action teaches the brain who is in control. Discipline rewires identity. Daily reflection builds awareness. Awareness builds control. Control builds freedom. When you control your habits, you control your direction. When you control your direction, your future changes. This is not motivation. This is a system. Apply it daily, stay consistent, and your life will eventually have no choice but to change.